sides have come to make a stand at the foot of the US Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, whose very purpose is to protect their rights and uphold the Constitution, yet which now stands accused of stripping those rights away.
Abortion is oppression!
America has woken up to a new reality today, where a woman's ability to have an abortion in place for the past 50 years is set to no longer be a constitutional right and taken away by the very institution that enshrined those rights in the first place.
And I just pray for those in our nation who've chosen abortion, Lord God.
Getting rid of Roe has been the ambition of conservative America for decades, and today it looks like they finally got their way.
Someone oppose abortion because it kills babies.
We're all coming together to say that human rights should belong to all human beings, born or unborn.
What about the rights of women who want to choose to do with their body what they want to do?
Committing violence against a human being,
Is that how you see it?
Yes, abortion objectively is violence against a human being.
When Roe is no longer protected, that doesn't mean abortion is going to stop happening. It means safe abortions will stop happening. And we all know the cost of that.
Good evening. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court today legalized abortions.
A woman's right to choose was enshrined in a historic ruling, Roe versus Wade, nearly 50 years ago.
I am pro-life, and I will be appointing pro-life judges.
As a candidate, Donald Trump promised to nominate conservative judges. As president, he did exactly that, giving the court a conservative majority. And last year, they agreed to hear a case that sought to ban the procedure after 15 weeks. They were expected to uphold that ban, but in a draft version of its decision leaked last night, the justices have gone much further. The Constitution, it said, makes no reference to abortion, and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision. As a result, Roe, the draft said, must be overruled.
If they're going to be so literal in their translation, be prepared, because this culture war is going to take us beyond abortion. It's going to take us into family planning. The rights of those who are LGBTQ and certainly gay marriage are all at stake in this culture war that the Supreme Court is pushing on the American people now.
My body, my choice! My body, my choice!
The court's final decision is expected in July, but if this draft remains unchanged, American states will be allowed to ban abortion, raising the prospect that women in 2022 will have fewer rights than their mothers.